Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is Curiosity Day, and on this day, I have selected the topic What if the sun suddenly disappeared? Dear viewers, imagine you wake up one morning and everything feels normal. The sky is bright, birds are singing, and life goes on as usual. But somewhere far away, 150 million kilometers from Earth, something unimaginable has happened. The sun has vanished. What would happen to us, to our planet, and to the entire solar system? Surprisingly, we wouldn't notice anything immediately. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So, for those 8 minutes, the sky would still be blue, the sun still shining, and life would feel normal. Then the light would suddenly go out. They would turn into complete darkness. In an instant, stars would fill the sky, and the moon, if visible, would only shine faintly from its own reflected light. But light isn't the only thing the sun gives us. Its gravity keeps the planets in orbit. Without it, you would feel the second effect instantly. And this one is far more dangerous. Gravity collapse. Right now, Earth moves in a perfect path around the Sun because of its gravity. The moment the Sun disappears, that gravitational pull vanishes. Instead of orbiting, Earth would shoot off in a straight line into deep space, like a car suddenly losing its steering wheel. The same would happen to all the planets, asteroids, and comets in the solar system. First, days without the sun. Within 24 hours, the temperature would start to drop. Without sunlight, the earth would quickly lose its warmth. The average surface temperature would fall below freezing in just a few days. The sun also drives our weather, so winds would stop circulating in the normal pattern. The oceans would start to freeze on the surface within weeks, though deep below the water might stay liquid for a while. Impact on life. The first victims would be plants. Without sunlight, photosynthesis stops instantly and plants begin to die within days. This collapse in plant life would quickly affect the entire food chain. Herbivores first, then carnivores, and eventually humans. We might survive for a short time by eating stored food, hunting, or fishing, but in the long run, survival would depend on finding alternative energy sources. Long term temperature drop. After 1 year without the sun, the average global temperature would be around minus 73 degrees centigrade, minus 100 Fahrenheit. The surface of the oceans would be completely frozen, but deep under the ice. Life might continue around hydrothermal vents, places where heat escapes from the Earth's core. Where could humans survive? The only way for humans to live long term would be to move underground near geometrical energy sources or create artificial habitats powered by nuclear fusion, geothermal heat, or other advanced technology. Another possibility, though extremely difficult, would be to find a way to travel to another star system. But with our current technology, even the nearest star would take over 70,000 years to reach. The fate of the solar system. Without the sun, the solar system would no longer exist as we know it. Mercury and Venus would drift into the void. Gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn would wander through space as a rogue planets. Asteroids and comets would no longer have a central point to orbit and could collide with each other or drift away forever. Conclusion: the sun is more than just a bright light in the sky. It is our source of heat, energy, weather, and life itself. Without it, Earth would become a frozen, lifeless rock drifting in the endless dark. So, next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, remember this giant star is the reason we are alive. It is not just part of our world, it is the heart of our home in the universe. Thank you so much for watching and listening my video. Please viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.